Stop studying. If you're studying the way most students do, you're probably wasting about 80% of your time without realizing it. Ever spent hours cramming, only to forget everything in the exam? Most students learn the right way too late. But by the end of this video, you'll know how to study effectively and save yourself years of frustration. Imagine filling a bucket with water, but there are holes in it. No matter how much you pour, most of it leaks out. That's exactly what happens when you study the wrong way. You spend hours, but your brain doesn't retain much. And you don't even notice. Let's talk about the biggest mistakes ruining your study sessions. Mistake 1: highlighting and rereading. Most students think highlighting and rereading helps memory. But studies show rereading has only about 10% retention. That means if you read something today, most of it is gone next week. It feels productive because your brain recognizes the words. But recognition is not the same as remembering. It's like watching the same movie again and again. You know the story, but that doesn't make you an expert. Mistake 2: last-minute cramming. We've all done it. Staying up late, drinking too much coffee, forcing information into our brains. Cramming might help for tomorrow's test. But within days, most of it disappears. Your brain treats crammed information like junk mail. It throws it away, because it knows you won't use it long term. And here's the hard truth. Students who actually understand the material will always outperform those who cram. In exams, in college, and in life. Mistake 3: passive studying. Another big mistake is studying passively. Just reading, watching, or listening, without doing anything with the information. Imagine learning swimming by reading a book. Then jumping into a pool expecting to swim perfectly. Impossible. Learning works the same way. If you don't practice, test yourself, or apply the information, it won't stick. Now here's the game-changing shift. Studying isn't about how long you study. It's about how much you retain. Some students study 3 hours and forget everything. Others study 1 hour and remember it for years. The difference is how they study. Real learning happens when your brain is challenged. When it struggles. When it retrieves information. This is called retention over consumption. The learning pyramid. Reading, about 10% retention. Lectures, about 20%. Watching demonstrations, about 30%. But when you actively engage. Practice, about 75%. Teaching others, about 90%. So if you want to remember more, stop just reading. And start recalling, teaching, and applying. Step 1: active recall. If you want to remember more in less time, use active recall. Instead of putting information into your brain, pull it out from memory. 2 powerful methods. The Feynman technique. If you can't explain something simply, you don't understand it. Teach the concept in simple words. Find gaps. Fix them. Repeat. Self-testing. Top students don't study more, they test more. Use flashcards, quizzes, or past papers. Students who test themselves often score much higher than those who just reread. Step 2: spaced repetition. You forget about 50% of what you learn within an hour. This is called the forgetting curve. But you can beat it with spacing. Day 1: learn. Day 3: quick review. Day 7: self-test. Short reviews over time create long-term memory. Step 3: make studying a habit. The biggest challenge is consistency. So here are 3 simple tricks. 2-minute rule. Tell yourself you'll study for just 2 minutes. Starting is the hardest part. Once you begin, you usually continue. Habit stacking. Attach studying to something you already do. After breakfast, review notes. After dinner, quick quiz. It becomes automatic. Pomodoro technique. 25 minutes focus. 5-minute break. Repeat. Your brain works better in short focused sessions. Here's the truth. Even the best techniques won't help if you don't use them. Small daily effort always beats last-minute panic. If this helped, like and subscribe. And now, go crush your studies.